Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Turtle Beach to Xbox, quick fix step by step clearly. First, locate your Turtle Beach headset and your Xbox console. Ensure your headset is charged or plugged in. If using a wired headset, find the 3.5mm audio jack on your Xbox controller. Plug the headset connector into the audio jack firmly. For wireless headsets, power on your headset by pressing the power button. Next, locate the pairing button on your Xbox console. Press and hold the pairing button until the Xbox logo starts flashing. Now, press and hold the Bluetooth pairing button on your Turtle Beach headset. Wait for both devices to establish a connection. Once connected, look for an audio setting on your Xbox. Navigate to Settings, then select Devices and Accessories. Find your Turtle Beach headset in the list of connected devices. Ensure the headset is selected and set as the default audio output. Test the audio output by playing a game or video. Adjust the headset volume using the on-ear controls. If you experience any issues, restart both the headset and the console. Reconnect following the previous steps to ensure proper functionality. Your Turtle Beach headset should now be fully connected to your Xbox. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.